Good morning students. Welcome to 10th standard algebra lesson number 6 statistics module 3. Let's recall what we studied in the previous module. Measures of central tendency, namely mean. To find the mean of the data by direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Now we will be learning the measures of central tendency, namely median. The median of the data means if the numbers in a data are arranged in the ascending order, the numbers at the middle position is called the median of the data. Children, last year you have learned the median for ungrouped data. Just I am recollecting. There are the two conditions are here. The first condition is if the number of score is odd, then the n plus 1 by 2 score is the median of the data. Second one, if the number of score is even, then the mean of the middle two numbers is the median of the data. That is, the mean of n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 is the median of the data. Example 1. Find the median of the score 38, 48, 33, 43, 32, 40, 50, 34 and 42. First, you have to write the numbers in an ascending order. That is 32, 33, 34, 38, 40, 42, 43, 48 and 50. The number of score is equal to 9. Then how to find the median? If the number of score is an odd number, then n plus 1 by 2 the score is the median of the data. Therefore, median equal to n plus 1 by 2, that is equal 9 plus 1 upon 2 is equal 10 upon 2 is equal to fifth score. Therefore, in this data, fifth score is the middlemost number. Therefore, 40 is the middlemost number. Therefore, median of the data is 40. Example 2. Find the median of the score 70, 68, 74, 66, 61, 75, 62 and 65. First, you have to write the numbers in an ascending order. There is 61, 62, 65, 66, 68, 70, 74 and 75. The number of score is equal to 8, that is an even number. Therefore, the median of the data is the average of n by 2 and n plus 2 by 2 term. Therefore, n by 2 is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4 and n plus 2 by 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 8, 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, the average of fourth and fifth term is the median of the data. In this data, fourth term is 66 and fifth term is 68. Therefore, median equal to 66 plus 68 upon 2. That is 134 upon 2 is equal to 67. When the number of scores is large, it is difficult to write the scores in the ascending order. So, the data is classified into groups. The formula for finding the median of a grouped frequency distribution. Median equals L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. L equals the lower class limit of the median class. N means the sum of the frequency. H equals the class interval of the median class. F equals frequency of the median class. And CF equals cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Before making the cumulative frequency distribution table, these points keep in your mind. If the given classes are not continuous, we have to make them continuous class, then after to find out the median. One example I am showing here. In this here column, the first column is the discontinuous class. How to convert them into the continuous class? The lower limit minus 0.5 and upper limit plus 0.5. Therefore, the first class becomes 5.5 to 10.5 and second class 10.5 to 15.5 and third class 15.5 to 20.5. Practice set 6.2. Question number 1. The following table shows the classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. In this question, the classes and the frequency are given. Solution. First, we have to make the less than cumulative frequency distribution table. In this table, we needed the three columns. The first column is the class, second one frequency, and third one cumulative frequency less than type. The first column, here it is the classes are 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14 and 14 to 16. And frequency, the first frequency 8 to 10 is 150, second one 500, third one 300, fourth one 50. And sum of the frequency is sigma Fi is equal to 1000. And cumulative frequency less than, the first number is the frequency 150, second one 150 plus 500 is 650, 650 plus 300 is 950, 950 plus 50 is 1000. Next we have to find the median class. How to find the median class? First write the total frequency equal to sigma Fi n is equal to n is equal to 1000. And next to find n divided by 2. That is 1000 upon 2 is equal to 500. Next to find the cumulative frequency just greater than 500. In the third column, the cumulative frequency which is just greater than 500 is 650. Therefore, the corresponding class 10 to 12 is the median class and the frequency of the median class is 500 and the cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 150. Therefore, CF is equal to 150. Cumulative frequency which is just greater than 500 is 650. Therefore, the median class is 10 to 12. Now, L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 10, and F is the frequency of the median class, that is 500, and cumulative frequency is 150, and H is the class interval, that is 2. Therefore, the equation for median equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Therefore, 10 plus 500 minus 150 upon 500 into 2. Therefore, 10 plus 0.7 into 2 is equals 10 plus 1.4, that is 11.4. Therefore, the median of the number of the hours they work daily is 11.4 hours. Question number 2. The frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees in a grove and the yields of the mangoes. Find the median of data. In this question also, the number of mangoes as the class and number of trees frequency are given. Then solution. First, let's prepare the less than cumulative frequency distribution table. In this table, we needed the three columns. The first column is the class, second one frequency Fi, third one cumulative frequency. The classes are 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250 and 250 to 300. The corresponding frequencies, the first frequency is 33, second one 30, third one 90 and fourth one is 80 and fifth one is 17. And last row, here sum of the frequency is 250. And third column cumulative frequency, first number is 33 and 33 plus 30 is 63. 63 plus 90 is 153 plus 80 is 233 plus 17 is 250. Next we have to find the median class. How to find the median class? First we have to take n upon 2, that is frequency, sum of the frequency divided by 2. That is 250 upon 2 is equal to 125. Next, to find the cumulative frequency just greater than 125. Therefore, in this column, the cumulative frequency which is just greater than 125 is 153. Therefore, the corresponding class 150 to 200 is the median class. Therefore, the frequency of the median class is 90. And the cumulative frequency in the cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 63. Therefore, CF is equal to 63. Here, total frequency equal sigma Fi is equal n is equal to 250. Therefore, n upon 2 equals 250 upon 2 is equal to 125. Therefore, the cumulative frequency which is just greater than 125 is 153. Therefore, the median class is 150 to 200. Now, L is equal to the lower limit of the median class, that is 150, and F is equal to 90, and cumulative frequency CF is equal to 63, and H is equal to the class interval is 50. And the equation for median is equals L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Then substituting all values, 150 plus 125 minus 63 upon 90 into 50 equals 150 plus 62 upon 90 into 50. That is equal 150 plus 34.4, therefore 184.4. But the number of mangoes cannot be in fraction, therefore it is equal to 184. Therefore the number of mangoes is 184. The answer, the median of the given data is 184 mangoes. Question number 3. The following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and the speeds on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Find the median of the data. In this question also, the classes and the frequency are given. But the classes in the table are not continuous class. To find the median, the classes must be continuous. Therefore, you have to change the class into continuous class. Then solution. Let's prepare the less than cumulative frequency distribution table. In this table, we needed the 4 columns. The first one is the class, second one continuous class, third one frequency Fi, and fourth one cumulative frequency less than type. Then the first column, the classes what is given, that you write first column. Second column, to change the class into continuous class, there is lower limit minus 0.5 and upper limit plus 0.5. Therefore, the first class becomes 59.5 to 64.5. Second one, 64.5 to 69.5. And third one, 69.5 to 74.5. And 74.5 to 79.5. 79.5 to 84.5, 84.5 to 89.5. Corresponding frequencies 10, second one 34, 55, 85, 10 and 6. And sum of the frequency is equal to 200. And fourth column cumulative frequency, first number is 10, 10 plus 34 is 44, plus 55 is 99, plus 85 is 184, plus 10 is 194, plus 6 is 200. Here also we have to find the median class. That is, first to find what is n upon 2. N upon 2 means the sum of the frequency is 200 upon 2, that is equal 100. Next to find the cumulative frequency just greater than 100. In the fourth column, the cumulative frequency which is just greater than 100 is 184. Therefore, the corresponding class 74.5 to 79.5 is your median class. And the corresponding frequency, that is 85, is the frequency of the median class. And the cumulative frequency preceding the median class, that is CF, is equal to 99. Here total frequency equal to sigma Fi is equal n is equal to 200. Therefore, n upon 2 is equals 200 upon 2 is equal to 100. Then cumulative frequency which is just greater than 100 is 184. Therefore, the median class is 74.5 to 79.5. Now, L is equal to 74.5 and F is equal to 85, CF is equal to 99 and H is equal to 5. Therefore, the median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. That is equal 74.5 plus 100 minus 99 upon 85 into 5 equals 74.5 plus 0.059. That is equal 74.559. But the number of vehicles cannot be in fraction. Therefore, the answer is 75. Therefore, the median of the given data is 75 vehicles. Question number 4. The production of electric bulbs in different factories is shown in the following table. Find the median of the production. In this table also, the number of bulbs produced and number of factories as the class and frequency are given. Then solution. First, we have to make the cumulative frequency distribution table. There we needed the 3 columns. The first column is the class that is given and the second column is the frequency Fi that is also given, and we next to find what is the cumulative frequency less than type, that is the third column. Therefore, first column is the classes are 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 90 to 100. Last row is the total. And the second column frequency Fi is already given. Therefore, 12, 35, 20, 15, 8, 7 and 8. The sum of the frequency equal to 105. That is sigma Fi equal to n is equal to 105. And the third column, the first one is the frequency 12. Second one 12 plus 35 is 47. Plus 20 is 67. Plus 15 is 82. Plus 8 is 90. And plus 7 is 97. Plus 8 is 105. Then we have to find the median class. Therefore, how to find the median class? First, total frequency sigma Fi is equal to n equal to 105. and then to find what is n divided by 2. N divided by 2 is equal to 105 upon 2 is equal to 52.5. Then next to find the cumulative frequency just greater than 52.5. In the third column, here the cumulative frequency just greater than 52.5 is 67. Therefore, the corresponding column 50 to 60 is the median class, and then here the frequency of the median class F is equal to 20. And what is cumulative frequency? That is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 47. Therefore, CF is equal to 47. The cumulative frequency which is just greater than 52.5 is 67. Therefore, the median class is 50 to 60. Now, L is equal to, that is lower limit of the median class is 50, and F is the frequency of the median class 20, and CF is equal to 47, and H is the class interval is 10. Then the equation median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. That is equal 50 plus n by 2 means 52.5 minus 47 upon 20 into 10. Therefore, 50 plus 5.5 divided by 20 into 10. That is equal 50 plus 2.75, that is 52.75. Here the production is in thousands, therefore 52.75 into 1000. That is the answer, 52,750 lamps. Therefore, the median of the production is 52,750 bulbs. Question 4 practice. Question 1. Find the median of the data. The table is given. The first one is the weight in kilograms and number of boys are given. The first column, first row is the class and the second one is the frequency. Thank you. To be continued.